Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Monday. I am excited to go ahead and get started. Today we have $35 guys to play with mini Mondays, but before we go ahead and get started, I want to show you two items. Oh my gosh. First thing first, I want to show you this item right here. It is available on my Ko-Fi shop. So basically it's a little thank you challenge for reaching out 1,411 subscriber, and also here is my little update on my watch hour, 3,293, and we have to get to 4,000. So if you can play any of my playlists, I really appreciate it. So I created like a little March theme, like St. Patty Day, $5 each card, and then the leave is $2. And then this one right here, it's a little roll and save, or you can do whichever number you prefer. So I have that on my Ko-Fi shop. It will be in the link on the description box. And next, this is never too early to save for Christmas. So I created the little Mickey Mouse with Pluto and Donald Duck, Minnie. So it will save you $150. And I think it's just so cute. I just had to put this already in my shop. And I will go ahead and create more this week because I will have a goal of creating, this is how it will look in the back. I have a goal of creating 3 lunches. Let me show you how it will look real quick. Hold on. All right. So let me show you. And it will look like so. Ta-da! So cute. Love it. Obsessed. Okay, so there is that. Another thing guys that I started kind of like doing, so I guess 3 items that I'm talking about, is I started my little thing right here, my little March, and I have an Etsy goal of 10 orders and 3 launches. So help me out if you can. And then my debt goal for this month is to pay $1,100 before March ends. So yeah, but anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. I just wanted to share with you guys that. And yeah, let's play Mini Monday. We had to take a thumbnail still, so that's gonna be a little bit of a time challenge. I'm sorry, I'm trying to go as quick as I can. Hopefully my camera is good. All right, so Mini Mondays, I believe is this one. Let me double check. I could be wrong, but you never know, right? I hope you guys are doing good. Let me know how you're doing. Guys, I am still sick. Like, I feel good during the day, and then next thing you know, I am sick in the morning and I'm sick at nighttime. And I will say it sucks because you feel like a piece of doo-doo. Like, legit, it sucks. Okay, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I was gonna do $30, but I added an extra $5 because almost all of my challenges here are almost done. Most of them are almost done, so we will see how it goes. I'm excited. Oh my goodness, I do have a new challenge that I added last week, so that's exciting. Okay, so all of those challenges are almost done. This one is like halfway and this one is starting. So we will see how it goes, but I'm excited. Okay, let's go ahead and take a cute little thumbnail. Yes. All right, hold on. Let me see. Is this good? I hope camera's good. Yeah. Let me actually lower it just a tiny bit. Hold on. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Da, 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 da. Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And a thumbnail. Cheese. All right, we do have $5 that we're working with. We have 2 of those, and whoever gets it, good luck. All right, here we go. So each is gonna get $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, here we go, guys. It's just luck. We have a 2. Awesome. Do you guys play Mini Monday? Another 2. Let me know what's your favorite challenge. Another 2. Which one you think is gonna get the most? Let me know who you think is gonna get the most today. I think it's gonna be between A 2 and a 3. A 2 and a 3. Because that's the one that always gets the most. But hey, we never know. All right, another one. Ooh, number 1 got a 5. Yay. Number 3 got 1. Number 3 got 1. A 6 got 1. Yay. I feel like 6 is harder to get. I don't know why. Number 2 got 1. And again, number 2. Oops. And a 1. All right, number 2. Okay. Let's see. A number 5. Yay. Finally, number 5 got 1. Number 1. Oh, I think 1 is winning, you guys. Number 6 got 1. Money goes so quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, number 5. Here we go. Number 4. Okay, who's gonna get number 5? Number 2. We are definitely done with that one. Number 1. Oh my goodness. We have like $4 left. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 3. I'm glad that everybody got a little bit left. 2. Oh my gosh. Number 2 definitely. 2. I think number 2 got the most. 5. Okay, last dollar. Number 6. Okay, awesome. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. How am I going to do this? Okay. All right. Here we go, guys. Let's see. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see how it goes. Excited. I am excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. Did you guys do anything fun? Let me know if you did anything fun this weekend. I didn't do anything fun, you guys. You guys know I worked. And then I got sick. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave that like that. Okay, oh well. Okay, here we go. All right, we had a leftover of nothing on this one, I believe. And we need $6 to complete this one. And this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are done with this one. This one is from Crafted Cocoa. All right, and this one saved us $60. Oh no, we did have $1 left over. Oh well, we had $1 left over. So this one saved us $60, you guys. Let's count it. Let's see. That's a good amount. Okay, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Oh my goodness. You guys, we did 60. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, everything adds up. Let me get another one. Okay. And we're going to add this one from my Ko-Fi shop as well. This one is going to get 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's going to get 4, you guys. Oh my goodness. So we're going to color 2 circle of number 2. Yes, that's exciting. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Okay. Oh my goodness. I hate this envelope. Okay, there's that. Okay, next, this one right here. Oh, look at this, you guys. All right, so this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. And we only needed $2. We only needed $2. So we definitely completed this one for $2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So we should have 20 on that one. Let's count. Oh my goodness, I told you guys it was going to be a good one. Okay, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. 20, you guys, from Sav Saves. This one's from Sav Save. So, woohoo. So that's 60, 70. That's $80. $80 already going towards my debt. Okay, let's find another one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this one right here is from Cool Mom's Plan. It's the cute little bone. And let's do them a $3 each. So let's do a 3. Hi. What happened? Yeah, you can use it. That's fine. Okay, so this one is, baby, look at my new challenge. Look. Hey, look. It's Mickey Mouse. What do you think? 150. What you think? You can talk. No talking? Okay. No talking. No talking. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so this one's $3. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So 3, 6, 9. So $9 going in there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9. So woohoo! We're almost gonna be done with that one too. Oh, can I tell you something? So we left pretty early today, right, for school. I left literally like at 7 because I felt so bad in the morning. And so the train was stuck, right? So I went from like the first end here in the CVS, in Walgreens, it was stuck. So I went the other way and it was stuck there. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And we were already waiting there for like 10 minutes. And I'm like, no. I had my Grinch slippers, my Hello Kitty pajama, and this sweater. And I'm like, I look so tacky. I'm not about to get off from school to school. And so I went all the way through like Helena to go drop him off. I'm like, pinche train. Okay, anyways, sorry guys. All right, this one got 1, 2, 3. This one got $3, you guys. And each little horseshoe gets $1. So, and there goes the train. You hear that? That's crazy, y'all. That train definitely made a lot of people probably get late to work, school, you name it. Both ends of like us getting out of like the house was blocked from the train, so I had to go around to another city, you guys. Good thing I left the house 20 minutes earlier than what I usually do, and if not, I would have been late. I would have gotten out of my car and go check him in, and I look ratchet, y'all. Look ratchet. All right, this one got 1, 2, and 3, so we're gonna color 3 of them. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Yay! We're almost there. Okay. All right, next. All right, next. This one right here. This one didn't get that much, but hey, it's okay. I don't think I had any leftover on this one, but let's see how much we got. We need $8 to complete this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh my gosh. We need 4 more. And we're going to be done with this one. So maybe on Freaky Wednesday, we get it done. If you're new here, Freaking Wednesday, it's just a name that I made up because it's just catchy. And so people will click on my video because of the name. My last Freaky Wednesday got like 600 and something views. I was like, oh my gosh. Which is good because it helps me out with like my watch hour. And I'm like, yes. Okay. Last but not least. All right, guys. Let's see how much this one got. Bugs Bunny. All right, this one got 1, 2, and 3. No, I won't be able to complete this one. Not even 1. Okay, maybe for Freaky Wednesday, we complete this one. That's Alex's phone. He's in a group of letting him know that Pokemons are available on whatever website's available. So he needs to hurry his butt to go purchase. Because right now you can't even find Pokemon, you guys, at the regular store now, because people buy them and resell them like bananas. Okay, there we go. So there we go, guys. We completed 2 challenges, and next time for Freaking Wednesday, we're definitely going to complete more. I know that for a fact. Okay, awesome. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. Yay! All right. I appreciate all of you guys. Don't forget to check my Etsy shop. Don't forget to check my Ko-Fi shop as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. And have a good one. Bye, guys.